Think you need a balcony or a backyard to grow your own food? Think again. Today I'm going to show you 7 amazing foods you can grow right inside your home, even in the smallest apartment. No outdoor space, no fancy equipment, just fresh, real food growing right next to you. Let's get into it. First up at number 1, green onions. Seriously, these are the easiest indoor crop ever. The next time you buy some from the store, just save the white root ends, pop them into a glass of water, and I promise you'll see new green shoots in as little as 48 hours. Once they're a few inches tall, you can move them into a pot with some soil for a harvest that just keeps on giving. Coming in at number 2, lettuce and mixed salad greens. These are perfect for indoors because they actually prefer cooler temperatures and don't need intense direct sunlight. All you need is a shallow container, a spot on a sunny windowsill, or even a simple grow light, and you're all set. The best part: you can just cut what you need for a salad, and the plant will keep growing back. It's called the cut and come again method, and it's a game changer. Number 3 is all about herbs. Think basil, parsley, mint, and cilantro. These guys absolutely love warmth and indirect light, which is pretty much the standard environment in most small apartments. Here's a pro tip for you: always snip the top leaves, not the ones at the bottom. This encourages the plant to grow bushy and full, rather than tall and leggy. Plus, you'll have fresh herbs for your cooking whenever you want. At number 4 we have microgreens. They might look super fancy on your restaurant dish, but they are one of the simplest and fastest things to grow indoors. You don't even need a deep pot. A shallow tray works perfectly. Just sprinkle the seeds, keep them moist, and in about a week or 2 you'll have a harvest. They are packed with nutrients and are perfect for sprinkling on sandwiches, salads, or anything that needs a fresh kick. Okay, number 5 is a big one: cherry tomatoes. Yes, you heard that right. You can absolutely grow tomatoes indoors. The key is light. They love bright light, so if your windows aren't super sunny, I'd recommend getting a small, affordable grow lamp. Make sure to stick to dwarf or patio varieties. These plants stay nice and compact but will still give you an amazing amount of delicious sweet cherry tomatoes. Next at number 6, peppers. Both sweet bell peppers and spicy hot peppers can thrive indoors. They love warm, consistent conditions, which your home can provide better than the unpredictable outdoors. Many varieties are naturally compact and do great in small to medium-sized pots. Just find a warm, bright spot for them, and they'll reward you with colorful, crunchy peppers. And finally, number 7, mushrooms. This one might surprise you. Got a spot that doesn't get any sun? Perfect. Mushrooms hate sunlight and love humidity, making them ideal for a forgotten corner of your kitchen or a closet. The easiest way to start is with a grow kit. They come with everything you need, and most will give you a full harvest of fresh gourmet mushrooms in about 2 weeks. See, you really don't need a balcony to grow your own food. All it takes is a few containers, a bit of windowsill space, and a little bit of consistency. If you want more indoor gardening tips specifically for tiny apartments, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.